Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Apple ID with two-factor authentication, a working Wi-Fi connection, and the latest iPad OS. Once done, open Settings and tap Messages. This is where you activate iMessage. Sign in with your Apple ID under Send and Receive so Apple links your identity to iMessage. Make sure the email addresses you want to use are checked. This initial step establishes how other people reach you and lets Apple issue the necessary credentials to send. Once signed in, enable Messages and wait for activation. This can take a minute because Apple verifies your Apple ID. Next, select the email addresses and phone numbers you want people to see and set a default address for new conversations. If you want message history saved and synced, enable Messages in iCloud. Make sure you're signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID. These steps control where replies land, why you see the right contact info, and how conversations stay consistent across Apple devices. To finish, send a message to a known Apple contact. A blue bubble means iMessage succeeded. If activation fails, sign out of Messages, restart the iPad, and sign back in. This forces a fresh verification. Make sure date and time are set to automatic and your internet is stable. Incorrect time often blocks activation. If problems persist, wait up to 24 hours for Apple activation servers or use the key tip. Sign out of your Apple ID, restart, then sign back in to resolve most lingering activation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.